Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
I'm in the 16th one, ma'am.
That is a middle term splitting. A square x square minus 3abx plus 2b square. So what is needed? Product is 2 and the sum is 3 minus 3. Product is 2, sum is minus 3. What is the thing you can take? Product is 2. 2 is only 2 ones are 2.
Minus
So
2.
minus 2 minus 1. A square x square minus 2abx minus abx plus 2b square is equal to 0. Then take common. Ax is common. So ax minus ax 2b minus bx, no, only b is common. So it is ax minus 2b is equal to 0. So ax minus 2b, ax minus b is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2b by a, x is equal to b by a.
Mom, can you just tell me how to solve the 20th one, mom? Sorry, not 20th, mom. Yes, the 19th one, mom.
Open the bracket and factorize
Yes, ma'am. Even I
separately.
have doubt.
Open the bracket and factorize separately.
Mom, I didn't open the bracket. I took it the bracket as D.
You have done it. You have taken by quadratic formula you solved.
Yeah, I did by the formula.
Okay, quadratic formula is a longer method for that question. That is directly it is open the bracket and factorize it. This is in this form. That equation you will get in this form. Directly you can factorize 2 separately, you will get the answer.
Mom, the 20th one also by quadratic formula, mom.
No, formula not needed. Directly you can do. Minus 2 is the product and the difference is 1. Minus 2 plus 1, plus 2 minus 1.
Mom, but it is ax, no, mom.
Yeah, plus 2ax minus ax
Okay, mom.
and then factorize.
Mom,
Yes,
actually, till which question number we had to do?
till 20.
Okay, ma'am.
20.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I solved all the questions with the quadratic formula, ma'am.
You're fine, no issue. Give me a second. Once again, I'm coming back. Yes. Any other doubts anyone has? Others have not
Ma'am,
solved,
the
then from
20th
where?
one is also the same as
Yes.
16th one.
Yes. Plus 2ax minus ax. Middle term. Others have not solved, then from where the doubt will come, right?
Done all the questions, ma'am.
Yeah, no, not you, I'm not telling. Yeah, you already sent me, I think so. You and Anisha are the two people who are sending me regularly homework. And one is Abhinya, started now. All others are Manmarzi. Hansika, no homework yet.
I'll send you today, ma'am. I forgot to send.
Ma'am, I've sent you home.
Sorry, but I like barely ever sent it. I'll send it today or tomorrow.
And others earlier? Type 2.
I have sent earlier.
Now I don't ask you.
Ma'am, even I've sent you homework, ma'am.
This homework?
Yes, ma'am, I've sent it
Yesterday,
day before yesterday night,
Day
ma'am.
before yesterday only you sent
Okay.
it, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
you asked me this question. Yes, now type 2 question. X minus 3 by x plus 3 minus x plus 3 by x minus 3 is equal to 48 by 7. This is the question number 25th. Exercise 25th question number. Are you able to see that properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this question, if you see the first fraction and second fraction, what you will observe? First fraction and second fraction, what you will observe?
And that the values are the same, but it's just the opposite. Like in the first thing,
Numerator and
the
denominator.
numerator.
That means the second fraction is reciprocal of the first one.
Yeah.
So in such cases, we can do it easily. One method is you can take the LCM and cross multiply, subtract it, and by you can solve it. If this is not there, you are doing the same thing. You have to take the LCM and subtract accordingly, simplify and solve by middle term splitting. But here there is a one special thing, that is this fraction and this fraction are the reciprocal of each other. So in such cases, we will consider x minus 3 by x plus 3 as another variable as a. So one variable is a, and then another one will be reciprocal of it. So equation will change to a minus 1 by a is equal to 48 by 7. And now simplified, first find the value of a. A square minus 1 by a is equal to 48 by 7. Cross multiply, 7a square minus 7 is equal to 48a. 7a square minus 7 minus 48a is equal to 0. So this will be in proper order if you write 7a square minus 48a minus 7 is equal to 0. Then solve the middle term splitting. Do the middle term splitting. 7 sevens are 49. So minus 49 is a product. And the difference is minus 48. So what are the middle terms?
Minus 49 plus 1.
49 and 1. So 7a square minus 49a plus a minus 7 is equal to 0. So 7a is common. A minus 7 plus 1 into a minus 7 is equal to 0. So you will get two brackets as a minus 7 and 7a plus 1. This is equal to 0. Equate it to 0 and you will get the value of a as 7, or a is equal to minus 1 by 7. Okay. So now solving these questions, these values, we have to find out now value of x. So which value we have considered as x? X minus 3 by x plus 3 is equal to a. X minus 3, right? So two values of a, we have to equate them to both the values separately and find the value of a. So x minus 3 by x plus 3 is equal to 7, or x minus 3 by x plus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 7. Then cross multiply to get the value of x. X minus 3 is equal to 7x plus 21. 7x will go this side. X minus 7x is equal to 21 plus 3. Minus 6x is equal to 24. X is equal to minus 4. And another one, 7x minus 21 is equal to minus x minus 3. Now I've started direct multiplying. I'm not putting 7 into bracket x minus 3 and then solving. You are also not supposed to do that one. You can directly multiply and write the answer. So 7x plus x is equal to minus 3 plus 21. 8x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 by 8. That is 9. 2 nines are 2 fours, so 9 by 4. These are the two values of x. Is the method clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then write down.
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next and 27th question. Same way. X plus 1 by x minus 1 minus x minus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to 5 by 6. Solve these two questions, exactly same method. Consider x plus 1 by x minus 1 as a. So the equation will become a minus 1 by a is equal to 5 by 6. A square minus 1 by a is equal to 5 by 6. 6a square minus 6 is equal to 5a. 6a square minus 5a minus 6 is equal to 0. 6a square minus 6a plus a minus 6 is equal to 0. 6a into bracket. Is it right?
Ma'am,
No, it is 36 is
It's
the 9 and
36.
5. 9
Yeah.
and 4.
9 and 4.
9 and 4 is that. 36 6 is the 36. So 3a into bracket 2a minus 3 plus 2 into bracket 2a minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2a minus 3 and 3a plus 2 is equal to 0. A is equal to 3 by 2 and a is equal to minus 2 by 3. So x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2, or x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 3. 2x plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 3, minus x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to 5. and this is 3x plus 3 is equal to minus 2x plus x. 5x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 5. The second value. Then solve the second part, 28th one.
Ma'am, for the other one, ma'am, which I told, I'm able to solve both, but for both I'm getting minus 1.
No, it's not possible to solve the second one. X is getting cancelled. So second value of A might be your A is wrong.
Ma'am, A I'm getting 1 by 2.
And our other one, 1 by 2. Everyone got the same answer? Value of A are
2 and 1 by 2.
Yes, ma'am. 2 and 1 by 2.
Yes, ma'am, same.
Yes, ma'am. Same.
so that means it is x minus 1
Yeah, ma'am.
by 2x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 1. So this 2x and this 2x 0. So how you'll get 1? X has become 0.
Ma'am, I equated the first, like x minus 1 by 2x plus 1, I equated it to 2, ma'am.
Yeah, that is minus 1 done. That you got the value of minus 1. The second part.
Ma'am,
Second value of A. There are two values of A, no? 2 and 1 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So second value of A, after substituting the second value of A, what you will get? You have equated the second value of A to the second fraction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you have equated? What is the value of A you have taken?
X minus 1 by
Then why you have
2x.
equated to the second question, second fraction?
Oh,
There are two
okay.
values of A.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Ma'am, for the next one, I got minus 7 and 0.
Yes, minus 7 and 0 is the answer.
Minus 7 0.
7 and 0 is the answer. Minus 7 and 0.
Yes, that is
Ma'am, this also will do the same way only, right?
So see the fraction and then check.
Yeah, ma'am, the same way only.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is the answer x is equal to -7 and 0, ma'am?
Yeah, 59th one, yes. Got it? What happened?
I'm getting root 3 by 4
Hmm.
and minus 2 root 3 by 3.
2 root 3 by 3. Oh, yeah, right.
Ma'am, is it root 6 and root 6 by 3? Ma'am?
I'm solving.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the answers. These are the two values. Done? Everyone got the answer?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you can leave now until 43. Whatever the left out questions are there, complete by Monday. Not by tomorrow, by Monday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have some doubts in the pair of linear equations.
Ma'am, can you repeat the homework, ma'am?
Till 43rd questions, whatever the left out questions are there, we have not solve those questions till 43.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
21 to 43.
Tomorrow's test is 8 to 9, right? In the night.
Yes, 8 to 9, same maths class.
Okay. So then tomorrow will there be science class?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, for tomorrow's test, will